Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer. This actually has caffeine in it. It has the perfect little shape at the end just for you to go ahead and dab some dots under your eyes, the bridge of your nose, wherever you feel you need it. Another great thing about this product is apparently you don't need a setting powder on top of it. It's just self-setting. And that's pretty amazing because it saves you a step.
You need the caffeine, okay? Wake me up. You need it to get like that grease part. Wow.
Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer. For dark circles around eyes, it also helps with color correcting. Don't forget to clean up those brows. You can even build upon it if you would like, but it's naturally just going to help.
This concealer is a dual purpose concealer. I really stand for this. This makes me so excited, y'all, because it is not just a coverage product where you cover your under eye bags. It also treats it by minimizing any puffiness or fine lines because it has caffeine in it.
I'm jumping in with 3 o'clock caramel just to highlight under my eyes and around my nose a bit, and I'm going to use this dual edge brush to go ahead and seamlessly, and I do mean seamlessly, blend this out. Look how easily that works into my skin. I also like to spot treat really quickly, just a couple spots.
So this caffeine does me right every time. It gets rid of the puffiness, the dark circles, and underneath my eyes are pretty dark, especially on the days I do not get enough sleep. So we're just gonna put a little underneath my concealer brush and blend it in. You wanna be very gentle underneath your eyes because it's super sensitive. And the concealers are already curated for your complexion, so you don't even have to guess what shade you're gonna be in if you already know your foundation shade or your tinted moisturizer shade. Boom, there we go.